Moisturizing hair care. 2chic Repairing Super Potion Hair Oil Serum combines blackberry and coconut milk to leave you with smooth and soft hair. Great for color-treated and over-processed hair, this repairing serum works to add shine while enhancing color. FRIZZ Free Control. 2chic Repairing Super Potion Hair Oil Serum reduces frizz and flyaways and helps to prevent breakage and split ends. Simply distribute a small amount of the serum onto hands and rub onto damp or dry hair to add shine and reduce frizz. Color safe. 2chic Repairing Super Potion Hair Oil Serum is 100% color safe, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. Look in the ingredients for a listing of USDA certified organic ingredients. Vegan-friendly, cruelty-free. GIOVANNI products use a number of organic ingredients and are Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free. GIOVANNI products are never tested on animals and come in sophisticated recyclable packaging. Lauryl laureth sulfate-free. GIOVANNI products do not contain harsh chemicals commonly used in regular beauty products, leaving you with strong, beautiful hair. Top reviews from the United States. A must-have hair care product. Best bang for your buck. This is my favorite hair product. And I use Monat, and this is still my favorite. It makes your hair silky smooth and helps your flyaway hairs without making your hair greasy at all.